Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. Fetch.AI continues to be in the corrections so far. We have not yet been able to confirm any local low here. So still considering that the market might test the support zone again if that happens, which is, by the way, located between 43.2 cents and 58.5 cents. If that happens, this is where we can watch for a reaction, potentially around 51.6 cents or 43.2 cents. But I will show you another level that might be an ideal target level for yellow wave C of B on the smaller time frame. So again, still the base case remains that a wave 4 bottomed in April. We had a 5-wave move up. So generally, we consider further higher prices. But again, it's overall a large and messy chart. We talked about that many times. But this is the support area that's been on the chart now since May, really. And it's been tested once, but the price has not been able to break out. So we're simply considering another retest. It's quite simple, actually. No need to overcomplicate it. There are two pathways I see probable right now. The white scenario has been slightly adjusted, but it's not a high probability scenario. In this scenario, wave C to the upside has started on the 22nd of June, and we are doing this, a 5-wave move up. But in this case, wave 1 is a 3-wave move. I think there's a very high likelihood that this is failing because the pullback, while it is a 3-wave move, is already very deep. There's no sign of a recovery right now. And again, the wave 1 would be a 3-wave move. So this only works if all of this C wave is an ending diagonal and structures like these are prone to failure. So I would at least prepare for a test of lower support. Doesn't mean that has to happen, but it's worth preparing for it. You can see the difference here on the smaller time frame between these two scenarios. In the white scenario, this is a 1-2 setup, but really the price is now already testing the 60.8 cent level. That is the 78.6 retracement. If we see a reaction here, the third wave to the upside would likely start soon. But I haven't seen any reaction yet. I would start to, let's say, believe that this is the scenario if we see a break above the B wave high at around 78.6 cents. Any break below 60.8 cents will open the door to a deeper correction, and that is at the moment a very probable scenario. I'd say I even slightly prefer it, but both are bullish, right? Still, I would have to change my opinion though if we break below 43 cents, then this setup that we've been watching is failing, okay? Because yeah, that's just the 78.6 retrace level of the larger 1-2 setup, or rather, let's call it an AB setup. Now, in the very short term, if we consider the yellow scenario is very likely, and this is the A wave down, this was a B wave up, only in 3 waves, then in a C wave down, we might reach this area here, especially around the 100% extension level at 49 cents. That's typically a very ideal target for a C wave. So these are a few levels to watch there, but without a 5-wave move up that breaks above 78.6 cents, for now the pressure remains downward. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.